So behavior is not inappropriate, unacceptable, or insubordinate. Those are the three words I want people to start to get out of their vocabulary. One of the biggest problems with those three words is what? What do you right off the bat? They're opinions. They're negative, they're evaluative. They come from my inner automatic thought. The other is they're really hard to assess. They're really hard to say, are we making progress? Because they're so evaluative and so not objective that it's hard to say, how has our school moved in the respect or disrespect column? I don't know. Everybody's insubordinate or unacceptable depending upon whether I had my coffee this morning or not. So, and we also make the mistake of writing goals for kids in behavior plans and IEP goals that may use the word, the child will demonstrate the inappropriate response to an adult inquiry. So the problem with that is what? What is appropriate? What do we want the child to say, do, not say, or do? So we've got to go one step further. If you're going to use the word inappropriate or unacceptable, that's okay. Just go one step further and tell us by doing what? Or by saying what? Tell us what the next step is. Otherwise, everybody's on a different page. What I think is inappropriate in my classroom, the art teacher doesn't think it is inappropriate. So if we're working on appropriate, we better be defining what it is. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.